Hbar's massive breakout is just getting started, and at the time of this recording we have continued to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And at the time of this recording we are now attempting a break above resistance at the 0.0689, and the moment we manage to break above that with a successful retest, then I will have my eyes on the next key area of resistance above the 0.0744 in the next coming hours. Hbar has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, and on today's video I will be discussing an Elliot wave structure that is playing out here on the charts, and also give you my breakout target areas. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out Bybit, which is giving you up to $20 in sign-up bonuses, and you can also earn up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. So make sure that you check out Bybit using the link down in the description box. And getting to first show you an Elliot wave structure that I have been tracking since the 5th of July. When we saw this breakdown move, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high in this Elliot wave count 1 back above the 0.0794, and after we picked in that Elliot wave count 1, we started a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we fully maximized, and we are now seeing a reaction to this target area in what could be the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in this larger Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of that first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.0971. And for us to fully maximize those target areas in the next coming hours, we first need to see a break above significant key areas of resistances. And I've said to you that first we need to see a move that is holding above support at the 0.0692. As long as we continue holding above that, we can easily see a bounce to the 0.0744, and the moment we manage to break above that key area of resistance, maybe with a successful retest, then we can continue expecting even higher prices to fully maximize our minimum target areas in this Elliot wave count 3 back above the 0.0973. And in case of any sudden pullbacks, then we need to continue seeing Hbar hold within this red target area that I have right here on the charts. And because of the impulsive nature of this Elliot wave count 3 that I'm tracking right now, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave move to the upside within that Elliot wave count 3, having the Elliot wave count 5 giving us the high for that larger Elliot wave count 3 in white. And if that is the case, then if I zoom in here on this chart, I should be able to track another Elliot wave structure from the lows that we made on the 25th of July, where we can term this as an Elliot wave count 1. Then this could be the pullback in that Elliot wave count 2 before we can expect another bounce in the next coming hours in an Elliot wave count 3, then expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5. And to just see whether this second wave has done the minimums, we can use the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows down there to that high of the Elliot wave count 1 to get the minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is an area that we didn't quite fully maximize, though we saw a bit of a spike into that target area, and there are chances that that could have now given us the low for that second wave. And in the next coming hours, we are going to continue seeing higher prices in what I am terming as an impulsive wave to the upside in this Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas once again can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.0773. So in the next coming hours, there are high chances that we can see Hbar get above the 0.07 mark in the next coming hours. So let's be patient and see how that price action continues to play out here on the charts, and I will be keeping you up to date.